Uh, Hello, what's up? Uh, I'm with a new headset, so I gotta configure it, I guess, before. Uh, Hello? I don't know how to use it to tell you, by the way. Hello? Great, that's way better, I guess. How to use it to tell you, by the way. Hello? Great, that's enough. Uh, right then, let's get going. So, what's up? No, my name is Red. But my name is Vítor, and today I will be streaming some of my code development for a fun game of mine, which is really inspired by Undertale. Uh, I never talk too much about it, but basically the main reason of this fun game is because I really love this AU, and because I really want to test my code skills and learn more. Because a dream of mine was always to be able to to develop games, but I never knew what to do. So after I learned code, that was my main dream of just coding games. So yeah, uh, I for the moment just work at robotics at my school, and I go everywhere to competitions, etc. But I also want to work developing games because it is really cool as well. So I try to mix them both sometimes. Like I use the skills that I learn at robotics in my games. I don't know, it's just what I try to do. But I'm glad that someone may watch this. And if you like, please like and sub it. I'm really glad that you are here. Someone is here. Well, thanks. Let's go. While I work, I usually put some music, and I use three screens, by the way. So the first screen is just for music. Here is for the chat Gemini. So like I can ask him things in a fast way. And here is usually where I put my game maker. Yeah, let me see if I can access the chat. What have I done? Okay, I really done. Oh, Joey again. What's up, Joey? Oh, how are you? My camera. Oh, yeah, I forgot. No. Here it is. Hello. Also, how are you? I've never seen you. We have never talked again for such a long time. Oh, like, how are you? Yeah, it's better. Okay. the sound. Yeah, it's interesting. Okay. Also, yeah, I may be leaking some stuff, but not sure if enough people is going to watch this, so it may be like, oh, it's a big leak. No, just some people may watch it. Just existing to. Oh, that's cool. Are you working on any projects actually? I guess I heard from you that you're still working on the Friday Night Killing. Am I right? Yep. Party. Snow. Friday Night Killing. Yeah, great. Yeah, that's so cool. How is it? When we will be able to like play it? Because I'm looking for it for it. Huge game. Yeah. I guess I remember Nonco Flex talking about it. It's like so interesting. I yeah. Oh yeah, just got it. We hope next year. Oh great. So cool. Uh but we three updates. Wait, what? Are you guys like doing the same as Friday Night Dusting initially was going to do, like waterfall update, hotfall no, hotlands update, etc. And also, I don't really like the way that this looks because first it is just a placeholder thing, and second, I don't know how to make a good what can I say? Good map design. I'm not map designer. I let that with other people. I'm just going to code it, and then later someone can like remake the atmosphere. I don't know. Also, let me give a little play of it while it is already done. Maybe some interesting. Yes, and data extras plus store sections. Huh. All right, interesting. But I'm so excited for the guest extra song. Also, that the way that Kara walks fast is because I'm using a development thing, such as like I press D and it goes 4 times faster. Also, the save is kind of working, but yeah, it is too small. I gotta fix that. Also, as well with the chest, it is working. All the items are working properly. I just need to like fix that. That is too small. That be our longest song. Haha, interesting. Pretty interesting. Expecting me? I don't think so. Also, uh, the voice of Papyrus is mine. It's like, oh, yeah, I didn't press any button, but yeah. Uh, yeah, it is like, it's not a good design for the fight, yeah, I know, but we will work on that. We are still working on it. There's a fight button, the act. There's two options, and none of them actually really work because I just made the base for it. I'm gonna make the hardcore of it later, like after we have the base of everything, because I think it is fair to like, as I heard sometimes, make it exist first, and then after you make it look better. The items are all working, but if no, yeah, they are all working, and the spare and run for the MERS, but those aren't going to work either now or never, I guess. Maybe in an alternative ending, because like yeah, you gotta fight Papyrus. So like if I fight Papyrus, yeah, it, yeah. Also, I forgot to say, I didn't code the hit thing. I just made the base, as I said before. It's not very nice looking, but yeah, it has his attacks. There's the turns. Uh, I can interact it very, very weirdly. It doesn't work very well, as I said, but the items are working interestingly. Like yeah, you can use it, and his turn is like the same as our the same. It won't change his turn at the same time because I just made one for testing. And if I die, there's a game over. Also, yeah, I used the Dust Swap for that funking game over song because I didn't have any other. So just as a placeholder, you know, if I play enter, e what? Oh, I found a bug. Okay. Yeah, I found a bug. Let's also let me see the chat. Whoa, Vítor from Friday. Swap. So fuck. Salve. Ronald Blader. Tu?
Um aviso rápido antes do vídeo começar é sobre a demora dos vídeos pra lançar. Então, não tá acontecendo alguma coisa comigo.
Eu honestamente não lembro de ti. Eu acho que eu vi tua live já alguma vez. Não, sei. Estranho aqui. Lembro, cara. Mas, que bom, cara. Yes. Salve. Ronald Blader. Estou muito corcunda aqui. Um, let's keep going. Let's turn back the music. Let's not really into this music right now. Either this one. Yeah, that one's good. Let's see what happened to... So the game over won't work. What did happen to that? Let me check. So weird. Word. I don't know how to pronounce. Like the word W, E, I, R, and D. I don't know how to pronounce that correctly. Like if it is weird or word. It's kind of funny. Yeah, also, I'm surely you know that already, but I'm Brazilian. I speak both Portuguese and I speak English. So yeah, that's why sometimes I just change language because some of the people that watch me are Brazilian and and other people are speak English. I mean, yeah. Hmm. So weird. Word. Let's try again. Let's see with better eyes. I'm not sure. Yeah, go to the next. What is happening? The timer ends. He stopped the audios. He closed the video, and the room go to previews. Maybe like this, because like he go to the previous room before closing the video, so it doesn't end in the infinite loop. I'm not sure. Let's check. I'm not sure. I don't think that is it. Yeah, I knew it. Hmm. Oh, I forgot I'm streaming. I can't show those things, am I right? Let me see. I shouldn't be caring for this, but I'm curious. Is there like at least one people watching? Wow. Oh, no. None at all. Interesting. At least 6 people watched it, I guess. Going. I know. I know. I explained, but it doesn't matter at all. The thing is like, uh, I had put the HP to just define one time. Like the first time you enter the game, your HP is defined. But before it was like every time you enter a new room, your HP is now healed again. So yeah, after I change it, when I die, my HP it stays as before. So yeah, I gotta change that before going to the previous room. Global dot health. Forgot the name. Player HP. Yeah, 35. No. Global dot max HP. Player max HP. Yeah, let's go. Meu Deus, pensei que você me reconheceria pelo menos pelo nome. Não de W. Mano, na verdade eu pensei que era tu. Mas, tipo assim, eu tive medo de sumir e não ser, entendeu? Por causa que existe muitos Ronalds no mundo. Se você me entende. Vamos ver se tá funcionando agora. Yeah, it's working. Great. Great. I won't explain that. Alright, moving forward. Oh yeah. Let's make machine state. Sim, cara, ficou muito bom. Tipo assim, ficou muito smooth, né? Não sei como posso falar. Mas ficou fluido, isso. Ficou muito top. Tipo, uma animação incrível, tá? Só pra te falar. É. And I alive. Mm, okay. Let's use nano. For the Kara code, yeah, I imagine that. Yeah, because actually Kara is just existing for now. For now, like the only thing that she does, the object I mean, that it does is like move the sprite and nothing more. And it's not good that way because it's more interesting so we can make an how is the name in English? Machine state. Machine state? Yeah, I guess. Because like we can change how she will be actually interacting with the word itself. It's more interesting. Yeah, it's just the dev little thingy as I tricky, as I said before. I'm not doing that for now. Let's just adapt it later. No, Windows set full screen true. It's not here that I make that. Oh, yeah, I will tell the truth. I made this code when I didn't know how to exactly code because like I used to name the variables a really weird way, so like I couldn't tell what was happening. So yeah, animation and then C. What is C? Basically, the C that I used before is like for it to this to switch the frames, as you can see here. I don't know if it is an inefficient way, this way, but it works. Am I right? I'm not sure. I may study and make it better, but I'm trying to improve on those parts. So yeah, don't judge me for now. Or if you want to judge and help me, I'm gladly open for ideas. Also, let me take a look on my phone. Yeah, I sometimes I just make maybe copy by hand some things from ChatGPT, and I think it is alright. Why? Because I actually seeing how he does, and then later I like just make it the same thing and try to adapt it for my way, so I can like learn by practicing. I guess. I guess that's fair. Am I right? Also, how can I say it? Luck is not a good way to say. Mm-hmm. Why did I name it here? I guess control. Yeah, I just name it the same way for now. Because it's actually a good name, I guess. No, it's, yeah, like, easy. Because I don't like it to be named minigame because it can, in other words, such as like, oh, I'm already interacting with an NPC, so I want to be interacting with a new NPC. That's the thing that I want to define. Oh no, forgot the. Oh, yeah, it's actually. Well, I you ask take off this one. You ask what he thinks of my code. Are you asking what he thinks of my code? Oh yeah. That's my actual step code. What do you think? Take this off. Wait, what? Papyrus doing? No way. Arm. Gotta go. I'll take it. It's a great start because you have the light. Try to do. However, as we move forward towards a professional extract for your the swap fun game, code has two major tech debates. It feels that will cause your headaches later. The gap problem, lesion, place, if place scenario. Have 3 pixels away from the wall. Velocity 4. Note, place meeting returns true, because 3 plus 4 is inside the wall. If they fails, you stop moving, leaving a -3 gap, but never actually touch the wall. Mission complexity, running time a variable 7. Very hard to maintain. To add that later, you have to actually understand it. Yeah, interesting. Factory disruption, professional standard. It is how we rewrite the cleaner. So perfect, no gaps, and easier to animate. I use the state machine, as we discussed earlier, control because comes state, and fix the collision requisites. Animation to work fast. I recommend your sprite and separate resource. Test at browser. Under Undertale practice. So usually for Undertale, they use that. Sure, that's interesting. Code. Get input. Calculate speed. Let input takes it. Okay. State machine check. Assuming you set up the anon from or private chat. Alright, I'm back. Was talking with my mother. I don't know how to interact. Well, let's keep going. Collision. Pixel perfect. What is sighing? Você gosta de UnderSwap? Você pode fazer uma pira. Well, I will speak English if you is alright. But basically, he asked like, why do I really like the swap that I made the Friday Funky mod, and now I'm doing a fan game. What's my deal with that? Basically, I really like the swap because when I entered the community of Undertale, I was like watching all of the alternative universes. I didn't have like a north. Like, oh, I really like this one or this one. I was just like consuming everything. But then when someone said, no, look at this fun gaming in specific, you may gotta do Friday Funky mod because at the time I was doing a lot of Friday Funky mods because I was not neither an artist or coder. I was just like a director somehow. I don't really remember, but basically because of that, because I started work on the swap fun game because someone the swap mod Friday Funky somehow from this Friday Funky mod, I got so interested the com- the Tale community again that I started to watch all types of the content of this thing, such as the Dust Trust, which is a huge fun game. So yeah, basically I really like it because I made a Friday Funky mod of all of that. And the mod idea wasn't even mine. It was like my friend's idea. So yeah, it's kind of crazy, but yeah, maybe because I may be autistic. I'm not sure. I have some hyperfocus on Undertale and Friday Night Funkin'. Yeah, I may be autistic. I'm not sure. It's interesting to think about it. Yeah. Oh yeah, like this type of song from Friday Night Funkin' sounds really cool. Yeah, I basically said the answer why. Uh, I'm not sure. I spoke in English. I didn't even ask. Are you comfortable? I speak English with you. I try to do that because English like a global language. Yeah, it's fair, I guess. I know like there are not many people that watch my stream, but I like to follow a pattern. And like it's good to train my pronouns, I guess. Oh, that's two expectation. There is two spectators, so yeah, hello. Back to studying. Mm. Right index. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do the inverse. Guess it is better. Mage speed. And where is the image speed being actually applied? Yeah, I see. I think that would be very obvious. Mine's favorite is Subhell because Papyrus is very sick. I remember when he was in the hardest fun game to pass. Yes, that's so relatable. Just I was searching for some reason, Swap fell in my YouTube, and I found some old fun game so good. Like this one. I guess you already saw it, maybe. Like I really like this fun game. Let me show you. This fun game is really cool. Mainly the final part. Like this one. What is happening here? It's so cool. Let me put the card and then so we let it play. While we speak. Yes. Have you done fun games? Any Friday Funky mods about it? A lot of. Let me see the OST. What? Does it? What am I listening to? What is that? Why is that actually good? It looks like the Earthbound. Yeah, Earthbound somehow, and Undertale and Deltron all at the same time. Hey, that's interesting. Why am I here? So interesting. Not this one. But like, get this. Uh, I saw that one. That's one's very sick too. No changing the subject. I am very mad that he got scrapped from. Yes, like also like why? It was like our almost done. You had a lot of assets. There's no reason for them to not use it. And some people made a fan-made version. So cool. Look. I guess you're right, Sal. See, you are the swap fell fan. Also, this is one of my favorite songs, by the way. Also, I'm not sure, but I guess that Boyfriend is from the Dust Fell song, such as the arrows. Yeah, I guess they are. Just copy this one, see how it goes. Sprite index. What does the sprite index lead me to? Here. Of the manual. I may be not that good at animating and stuff, but that papyrus definitely needs more animation. He only moves head and hands. Yeah, I wanted to say that, but I was not sure how to tell it in a way that didn't sound rude. So let me see how it's my own stream. Bro, my neck is so... I need to have good posture. Yeah, better. So, is my audio okay? I may be not that good at animating and stuff, but that papyrus definitely needs more animation. He only moves head and hands. Yeah, yeah, it's fine. Hmm. Can do that? Why am I seeing that? Yeah, see, put here. Later. Bye. Run out later. Hey bro, say something. Whoa, I lost 2 subscribers. No, dang it. I gotta make more content. I know, right? Yeah, for that we gotta focus. No, I'm not doing that. I'm prioritizing the up and down. Yes, I'm back. This is my monitor. Yeah, I have like 3 monitors. Keep going. I'm not sure if it is going to work. Let me see. There's no better way. Yeah, I knew it. Ah, was my skill show, right? Right. What's name? I don't really like the idea, but yeah, let's go. Sprite carrier left. Up. Bro, yeah. Let's start the up. Can I like do this? Yeah, I can. Wait, it's not right. Yeah, I knew. No. Yeah. Oh. Huh. Ah. Yeah, I forgot. We just used two. Okay. Let's see. Yay! That's so workable. I knew that Gemini would save me, am I right? No, yeah. Uh, Also, talking again about AI, I think it is fair to use it if you use it in a smart way, not the way that I just use it. I just used like to test if the idea would work, but yeah, I was just being lazy. Lazy, sorry. I will try my best. Like, just delete everything he made, and I make my own. Also, in some minutes I may be leaving because I have some compromise in real life. Yeah, so yeah, don't worry. And there's no one watching at all, so yeah. Let's go. Yeah, this if control is basically uh a way to make the state machine the state machine. Can I use the switch case? What's even that? Oh no. Okay. No, I don't like this idea at all. Let me think. Because I was thinking such as like, why don't I use it just two variables of booleans instead of a whole machine state machine? Don't know. Guys, just yeah, it's great. Uh, uh, this is also old. I don't know if I want to change the. Uh, forgot. What a headache. So serious. Hmm. Can I do that? Oh, I guess I can. Oh, I can. Okay. Well, I didn't make much progress, but yeah, I needed time to think about the structure of car object. But I found something that's interesting. This stream was not so productive for me because I mainly focused on speaking of the people instead of actually coding. So the next streams, I will take less attention to the comment to the chat and more attention to the code itself. Like I will try not to take off my attention so easily as happened today. I may stream tonight again, maybe, not sure. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you watch here, I don't know.